Hi and welcome everyone. This is Daniela again for Hip Kid Club, and I'm working with the November kids. And I show you how I created a mood board inspired layout. You see there are a beautiful light blue and pink tones in the mood board, and I chose to document a picture of our last year's cookie session. So this is one of our favorite traditions. We make cookies each year, at least 2 or 3 times. And the fun thing about baking cookies is not the baking itself, but the decorating later. So I wanted to document this memory. I started my page by applying some color splatters, and I also used 3 different background papers, as you can see. First of all, the light blue cardstock, then the beautiful pattern paper in light pink, and the wood grain pattern paper, and of course my white cardstock. And then I started to create a background. I wanted to have some sparkle on my page, so I'm working with the Lindy's Gang powder, golden powder here, and just add some hand-drawn stars here on the cardstock. This is a very easy way to add some special details and a personal touch to your projects. And these powders are really a nice way to have some glitter and sparkle on your page. So you see, this is just a random thing. I add some of these little stars here and there. Of course, we won't see all of them later because I don't know how the page turns out yet. But I added a few so that there will be enough later on the finished project. So you see that I cut Let's Bake Cookies from the same pattern paper that I used as a frame here. And now I start to arrange some embellishments and see how this might be or what might be a good version. So I feel that this tree is a nice thing there, so I already fixed it. And now I have to find out where to place my picture. And I also wanted to have another layer behind the picture, so I used the beautiful plate paper here, which also has the nice blue color in it. And I feel that this is a good place under the die cut phrase. So I guess this is the right version. So I can now adhere the die cut piece, and then it's time to embellish the page a bit more. So Christmas cookies are one of our favorite traditions. We have different traditions here in Germany, like our Christmas calendar. So the kids get a calendar that they can open each day starting on December the 1st. And then they get little gifts each day until Christmas Day, which here in Germany is not the 25th, but the 24th. That's the day when the presents arrive, but not in the morning, like in the USA, but in the evening. So we have little gifts each day, and this is a really nice tradition. I make one for my kids each year myself, and it's always nice to see how excited they are in the morning. Okay, so let's see what I'm doing here. I use lots of different die cuts that we have in the kit, and I really want to use this cute little cat. My daughter is totally into cats. We have one ourselves, and that's why I wanted to use it here. Plus it has the same beautiful light pink color as we have in the big word phrase here, and that's why I wanted to use it here. Now I'm flipping through all my embellishments and see what else I can use. I guess that this little mouse is perfect because it also has some bakery, and then these chipboard stickers. They also fit the topic perfectly, so I'm using them all over the page. And whenever I'm using a big die cut, like here the Let's Bake Cookies, I always put some of the tiny embellishments on top of the die cut phrase, because I feel that this way it's more interesting, there is more dimension on the page, and all the tiny little details, yeah, add really a special touch to all your projects. And yeah, the embellishments from this kit are perfect for this, because we have big ones, but we also have tiny ones, like yeah, the trims I used here under the candle die cut, and all the little stickers and bits and pieces. Yeah, that's really perfect. Okay, so working with stickers is always great because you can use them so quickly, and that's what I'm doing here. I place some here, some there, and yeah, that's really fun to do, and you can also rearrange them if you don't stick them too tight. So I just yeah, slightly arrange them there, and then later I will really adhere them. Okay, so this cute little girl, is it a girl or a woman? I don't know, but it's also perfect here. And now I'm going through my stickers and see what else I can add, but I guess that this is almost it. There are so many different things, and now I start to write my journaling. I'm always going for a handwritten one because this is more personal, and it's also a quick and easy way to add all the information you need to remember your memories later. And then of course I add the date stamp. That is something that I have on all of my projects, so that I can yeah, see when the photo was taken. So now I feel that here are some blank spaces, so I add a few more stars. And yeah, you see that this is really easy because you won't mess your page up, as it sometimes happens with color splatters. Here you can just place them where you want them to be, and yeah, that's it. Okay, I feel that this is almost enough, and now I can just take off the color so that it doesn't become too intense. And that's my page. Well, thanks so much for stopping by today, and have fun using your kit and document your December memories. Bye bye!